Hey, YouTube. This will be a quick video. Man, the brightness is really up. But yeah, this will be a quick video because right now I'm not in the place that I really want to be. I don't know if I'll make a video on that. I might, but definitely not today because I'm very tired. But yeah. So this will be a video. I mean, as small as it sounds, it does mean a big deal to me. Um, it means a lot to me. I mean, especially right now, you know. Um, I would like to thank everybody to the 15 people that subscribe to me. I, I thank you. This is a 15 subscriber special. Although there's nothing special about this video. Uh, but again, thank you to those that find me entertaining to watch. Other than my family. I just found out that my sister actually like genuinely watches these videos. So shouts out to you. You know who you are. I'm not about to say names. I'm not the type. Um, I'm sorry. I'm looking at the syrup that I spilled on my bed. There's nowhere to sit in this other dorm. My for context, my the other building caught on fire like a week and a half ago, and now I'm in this other building, and this room is extremely small, and there are like no chairs, so I gotta eat on my bed and spill syrup and butter everywhere on this bed, and it's really annoying me because after eating, I obviously have to sleep here, and now I'm sleeping here, and it smells like breakfast. But regardless, let me not get mad at that again. Um, wake up smelling like never mind. Regardless, this is not about butter and syrup. This is about thanking the 15 subscribers uh, that obviously subscribe to me. Thank you. Uh, it means a lot to me. Um, you know, um, I'm not gonna say I never believed I wouldn't have come this far. Cause to be quite honest, I had like 8 subscribers, like years ago. I didn't know people like subscribed to you if you made funny comments. And I used to be the guy that I was never the person. Let me make this clear. I was never the person that like commented, like if you want your grandparents to stay alive or something. I was never the type to comment that, but I was the type to read other people's comments, and if it was funny enough, I I just go and steal it, or I'd reword it to my own extent. I'd reword it so that it was original, you know, and I'd get hundreds of likes. um, but anyways, um, and like I said, people subscribe to me for that. But I'm sure those people do not know who I am. But I did get a bunch of other subscribers that were all family members. So I guess thanks to y'all. Thank you, family members. Again, I have a sister that watches these videos, uh, and a couple of my brothers do too. So hey, um, and then I guess 2 other people subscribed to me because I had 13 when my family started subscribing to me, and then I guess 2 other people subscribed to me as well. So shouts out to y'all. It's a shame I can't see who subscribed to me, but I just read the number. So shouts out to the 15 that sub to me. Uh, Thank you guys. It really does mean a lot. Um, I mean, I know this channel isn't growing uh, far, I guess, but it's just I gotta be on that grind. You feel me? So I'm gonna stay on the grind, I guess. Um, and right now, I know the screen isn't. It's not widescreen. That's because I'm on this older version of a laptop. It's not the greatest, but I'm gonna have to make do with what I have. So You know, it is what it is. Um, I want to make a lot of like I want to make like 4 other videos, but I can't right now um, because of the predicament that I'm in. So it's a shame, but hey, it is what it is. Um, I mean, like my other dorm straight up burned, you know. So I kind of have to be here. But regardless, that is besides the point. Again, thank you to those that subscribe to me, and have a great night. I guess it's 11 where I am, so have a great night. Uh, and I truly do love you all, mainly because most of them are my parents, or not my parents, but my family. So I truly do love y'all. Um, it's so awkward ending these videos. Let me just say peace.